Okay, exploring downtown Perry, Michigan after the tornado came through here August 11th. Saw some damage. Never been to Perry. It's about a 40-minute drive from home. And we're heading north on M52, south of I-69. And as you can see over here, we're approaching the downtown district, which is very quaint. Pharmacy, get your fire rescue, a couple small shops, downtown diner, restaurant, insurance agencies, railroad tracks, Jubilee Park, a small park over there. You can see some damage here on the left from storm damage, and then some major damage on the right. Tons of trucks out. Take a look to the right. Lots of cleanup in front of the post office here. Lots of destruction. Take a drive through here and see what we can find. There's a lot of news trucks like the one in front of us. Channel 6 News over on the right. A lot of people out. Channel 10 News, first weather alert. Yeah, you can see a lot of trees down. Nice little neighborhoods. Up here we have the community center, City Hall Police Department on the left. And look at that damage over there in that pavilion. Quite a bit. You can see all these trees uprooted. TPW's got a lot going on. And that's really about it. So stay tuned for further videos. Just wanted to check this out, the small town of Perry, Michigan. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.